Please do subscribe our channel Chandu KCM.
Hi friends. Today I will explain step by step how to work with Filmora 9.
If you like our video, please do like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Icon will comes like this. To select any one of them. To open new project, click on that. Here is the basic view of the software. I will explain step by step how to work with. Here is the media that has subfolders. We can import videos from PC. Next to media, audio is here. We can choose audio from your PC, or some inbuilt music is also there for you to free of cost. Next to audio, titles are there. Here I have only one. Next to titles, transition will be there. Large number of transitions are here for you to choose. In titles you can choose from subfolders also like this. Here also large group of different styles are present to choose. Next to transitions, effects are there. Some of there inbuilt and other are be download from internet. Next to effects, elements are here, and here also some are inbuilt and other must be downloaded. And last, here we have split screen. Lots of different styles are here to use. And you can click here to pause or open your video. Just select your video and click open. Click plus icon on the video to add your video, and software ask for frame rate to select and click OK. And video will comes here. We can edit video here. Right top box will be playing your video. You can stop or play here. At down column you can see orange line, which helps you to help edit video. Here comes the undo button, which helps to go back one step of your editing. Here comes delete button. Now you can see how I use split button. Now here comes the crop. We can have some in bold ratio or we can crop yourself by placing in custom mode. Now here comes the speed. We can play in low or fast speed. And here comes the advanced color correction. We can have different shades to use for your video. And here comes the green screen, and its minor effects. And here comes the edit. We have subfolders, transform, flip, composition, etc. We can do any type of edit here as you see. Here comes the audio edit. We can do fade in and out. We can increase or decrease pitch. Here comes the color. We can edit brightness and threshold value here. Here comes the motion. We have lots of them here. This is where we edit video and audio. I am reducing audio sound here. We can edit and cut, split video here. Here you can see I am editing the time reel to and fro. Next here we have volume. Next here we have snapshot. Next here we have widescreen here. Next here we have playback quality.
If you like our video, please do like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.